welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today we are going to learn about blockchain technology. What is blockchain? How does blockchain impact our daily lives? What is Bitcoin? And why exactly the concept of blockchain technology is being widely discussed and debated? This is what we are going to learn in this video. If you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon. Every like subscription will encourage me to bring more videos and provide quality content and add value to your knowledge. So let us learn and understand what exactly is blockchain. So in simple words, many people know it as a technology behind Bitcoin, but blockchain potential is far beyond digital currencies. Now you must have heard about Bitcoins, the digital currency which is in news. Now this digital currency uses blockchain technology for its transactions. So what exactly is blockchain and why are people so excited about it? Now currently, I will explain this concept in a very simple language. Now currently, most people use a trusted middleman such as bank to make a transaction. But blockchain allows consumers and suppliers to connect directly. This means if I want to transfer funds to my friend's account, I would not require a bank. The intermediary between me and my friend was a bank through which we used to transfer money. But with blockchain technology, there will be no bank. All the transactions which happen between me and my friend will be recorded permanently, forever, and it can be seen and verified by every person at any place in this world. This is the beauty of this technology. It is going to make your life simple, easy, efficient. Now, can you imagine how much time the intermediaries, the middlemen take for us to give services? If you want to see land records of your ancestors, you have to go to various places, to government offices, and it will take days and days for you to get the record. However, using blockchain technology, not about you will not only know about the land records till your grandfather's time, but also from your great grandfathers to their grandfathers, several generations of land record you can easily get using this technology. Now this is the beauty of this technology, and I'm sure this technology is certainly going to change the way we look, how things are working around us. Now what does blockchain use? It uses cryptography. Now cryptography is a form of coding in which whatever happens can only be known by a particular system. Now, blockchain provides a decentralized database. Now, decentralized database means it'll be with everyone, a digital ledger of the transactions that everyone on the network can see. For example, I do a transaction with my friend, and this transaction will be recorded in a form of digital ledger, and this will be accessible on a network to everyone. So you cannot hide any transactions using blockchain technology. This network is essentially a chain of computers that must all approve an exchange before it can be verified and recorded. Now, for example, there is a network of 10 computers, and there is a transaction which happens between two computers. And since this whole transaction has a network of 10 computers, all these 10 computers will have a record of the transaction which happened between only these two computers. Now, this is how the block which is formed between these two computers cannot be used or changed by any computer in that particular network. So, how does it work in practice? In the case of Bitcoin, blockchain stores the details of every transaction of the digital currency, and the technology stops the same Bitcoin being spent more than once. So if a Bitcoin has been used as a digital currency, this blockchain technology will make sure that it cannot be used. In fact, it is impossible to use because that transaction is already recorded. Everyone would know that this transaction is completed as a part of block. So let us see an example and try to understand how it exactly works. Now, A wants to send money to B. The transaction is represented online as a block. So what is a block? The transaction between A and B. What is the transaction? Sending money. A wants to send money to B. It forms a block. Third step is, now this block is broadcast to every part in the network. So this transaction which happened between A and B is being broadcasted to every party in the network. Now those in the network will approve the transaction as valid. Every network computer will check and will verify the transaction that this is a valid transaction. This type of transaction has not taken place in the past. Now once it is approved, the block then can be added to a chain which provides indelible and transparent record of transactions. So once the block is being approved, it will form a chain, and this chain cannot be broken because chain will only form between one part to the other, and once a block is formed you cannot change the parts. Then finally the money moves from A to B. So why is it so revolutionary? Why are people so excited about it? It works for almost every type of transactions involving value, including money, goods, and property. Its potential uses are almost limitless, from collecting taxes to send money back to the family in countries where banking is difficult. It will help to reduce fraud because every transaction will be recorded and distributed on a public ledger for anyone to see. Now, can you imagine? All types of fraud will stop because there is no possibility of doing a fraud, because every transaction which you're doing is open in the public and that transaction cannot be done again. So where it can be used, what is the future of blockchain technology? It can be used in banks, notary offices, Bitcoin ATMs, voting machines, etc. The places where there is need of high security, irrevocable transactions, contracts, or any other digital data stored on it. Now, banks are talking about blockchain technology. Now, banks can use it for money transfers, record keeping, and other bank end functions. Replicates the paper intensive international trade finance process as an electronic, decentralized ledger, a single source of information, track documentation, and authenticate ownership of assets digitally. So, what is the USP, unique selling point of Bitcoin? It executes the transactions without any intermediary. Financial institutions can execute and verify transactions anytime, anywhere. There is no discretion, there is no security, there is no secrecy. The electronic ledger of the transaction is continuously maintained and verified in blocks of records. And with help of cryptography, the tamper-proof ledger is shared and can be shared between different computer servers. So the ultimate benefit to the customer and the system is it will bring more efficiency, reduce the cost, and will save a lot of time of the financial sector. Now, this can be used in many different forms in blockchain wallet. Any transfer which you can do will be very safe and secure. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, you can press the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. As I've already spoken, every like, share, comment and subscription only will encourage me to make more videos and add more value to your knowledge and life. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon.